This is not the keyboard that I was talking about that I wanted to compare to the YUNZII B68, but it is a worthy competitor at a cheaper price. Let's dive in. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day, and today we're going to be talking about the BOYI GMK67 65% keyboard. What a beauty. This is a 65% gasket mount ultra compact keyboard. It has 66 keys and it has a beautiful little volume knob on there for turning the volume up and down and muting. It is tri-mode, meaning that you can use it wired or you can use it wirelessly via Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and it has a 3000 milliamp an hour rechargeable battery. It has beautiful linear switches in this thing, and they're called jadeite greens. Never heard of them before, but oh my god, do they feel and sound amazing. This keyboard has programmable south-facing LEDs, meaning you're not going to have any cherry keycap interference, and it comes with cherry profile keycaps to boot. Now, speaking of that RGB, let's take a look at it now. The RGB is definitely beautiful on this keyboard. Let's take a little tour around it. On the back here, you can see where we have our 2.4 gigahertz dongle home, where you can keep it in here so you won't lose it if you're not using it. You got your switches here to switch between Bluetooth wired and 2.4 gigahertz. You can switch between Mac and PC. And right here is the charging port to charge the keyboard or use it wired. Underneath it, you got your rubber feet, standard, you know, to keep it from sliding off your desk. And you got two levels of raising the keyboard up. You can raise it up high or you could do it a little bit low. Kind of reminds me of a Busta Rhymes song. As I mentioned, the keycaps on this board are extremely nice. They're a joy to type on, and I love the color pattern that they have on here. I'm kind of biased because I like the color purple, and it has purple and like a teal and pink combination on here. This looks very clean and solid, and I love the build quality of it. It's got a nice little heft to it. It's not too heavy, but it's not too light. Now, this is based upon the GMK67 board that you can buy and you can build yourself by putting in your own switches and your own keycaps. BOYI added their own little touch by putting their logo underneath it, which I think is pretty cool. It makes it stand out, lets you know that you have a BOYI board. Now, the price for this thing, I think, is great considering everything that you're getting. Now, at the time of shooting this video, you can pick this keyboard up on Amazon for $62.99. Now, if you were to buy the GMK67 alone without the keycaps, without the switches, you're gonna pay roughly around 35–40 bucks. So I think a $20 premium to get these really nice switches that this thing comes with and the cherry profile keycaps, that is a steal in my book. And comparing it to that YUNZII B68, it's still way under the price tag of that board, and I think the quality is comparable. Now, what do you get in the box when you pick up this keyboard? Of course, you get the keyboard and you get a keycap and a switch puller, and you get the cord so you can use it wired or charge the keyboard up, and you get a few extra switches as well. Now, I am absolutely gushing over the fact of how good this keyboard sounds. It sounds amazing. Why don't you take a listen right now and give me your thoughts? Yes, this keyboard is a winner chicken dinner in my book. I absolutely love it. I am a fan of it. I love the way it looks, the way it sounds, the way it's put together. I think the price is fair for it as well. What would I rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? I would have to give this thing a solid, I would give it a 9 out of 10. There's really no gripe I have about it. Of course, you know me, I wish it costs a little bit less, but I'm not gonna complain too much with the price, especially in comparison to the YUNZII B68. And just like that keyboard, I was sent this keyboard for free, but my thoughts are 100% my own, and I was not paid to do this review. This is an amazing keyboard. If you like the 65% form factor, I would say jump on it as soon as you can. So sorry it's been a hot minute since I released a new keyboard video. Things have just been a little crazy with the holidays here, and I promise to be a little bit more consistent as soon as the holidays get over. But in the meantime, hey, if you like today's video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And until I see you in the next review, I'm going to be honest, it probably won't be until the new year. So I'll have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and a Happy New Year. This is your boy PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. So I think the next video that I'll do to kick off the new year, I will review that Sama 68 that I was talking about comparing to the YUNZII B68, because that keyboard was only $20 when I grabbed it. But this one, great competitor for roughly $25 less than the YUNZII. I love the YUNZII, but when you got something out there like this competing with it, there's no comparison.